Hello lovely people, in today's video I'll be showing you how I got this look. I decided to do something a little bit more colorful today because lately I've been sitting so comfortably in my comfort zone, creating more natural looks, more toned down ones in terms of colors, except for a few, but for the most part I haven't really done a colorful eye look in a while. So today I decided to change that. I did something pink, something more girly. I really hope you guys like it, and without losing any time, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Oh, that's a dark backdrop. Hold on, let me fix that. Okay, we're getting there. Alright, hi sunshine. Oh, that's too bright. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna be creating something pink on my eyes today. You probably already saw that in the intro, and I don't know why I'm doing double intro right now. I don't know, I just feel so bubbly today, and I don't know if that's good. Usually when I'm in that mood, my videos are so long, it's not even a joke. Like, I can be doing my makeup, you can literally be 15 minutes into the video and I still haven't started doing my eye makeup. Like, it's bad sometimes. And I can be talking some random stuff like I'm doing right now. Okay, let's just move right into it. Okay, so I'm taking this Huda Beauty matte and metal melted eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the matte side. The matte side is in the shade Private Jet, so I'm gonna take that and apply it all over my eyelid. I've seen really mixed opinions about these Huda liquid eyeshadows. I personally like the matte sides. I think that they're blending really easily, they look gorgeous, the colors are beautiful, everything works really well for me with the matte side. But with the metal side, you know, the shimmery side of these, it's a little bit more complicated because if you apply them on bare skin, they will look good and you won't have any issues. But if you apply them on top of other products, they will crack and they won't look really good. The best way to use the shimmery side is on their own. I don't recommend you to use them, you know, in combo with some other stuff on your eyelids. This shade of pink is one of my top favorite colors. I just love it so much. Whoa, I need to clean this anyways. The mirror is so dirty. Yeah, whoa, that's so much better. Okay, anyways, I'm taking this BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection L'amour palette. I've been loving these palettes by BH Cosmetics. They have different editions of this palette. I'm loving them all. I think that they're all really good. But today I'm gonna use the L'amour one. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a mixture of this shade here and this one. I'm gonna add that in the outer corner of my eyes. Oh, see that beautiful touch of purple there? So pretty. This is how you don't want your eyeshadow to look. You don't want to have all of those harsh lines. You don't want it to be that sloppy. So take a clean blending brush, don't add any product on it, and just take your time to diffuse it a little bit, and it will make a huge difference. Okay, are you ready to see how to transform this look to this? I'm gonna show you. I'm taking these Milani, what they're called, Hypnotic Lights eye toppers, and this is in the shade Luminous Light and this is Starlight. So you don't need to use both of these. I'm just being extra. You can definitely use just the one of these. I recommend you the Luminous Light because this is gonna give you that pinkish shimmers, where this one, the Starlight, has more mixed shimmers. It has some pinks, a little bit green, maybe some yellows, you know, it's all mixed up, where this one is pure pink shimmers. I'm gonna use that in the center of my eye and this one just in the inner third of my eye. By using these two, this look is going to be a little bit more interesting. It's gonna have a little bit more dimension, but it won't make a huge difference if you just use one of those. As I said, I'm just being a little bit extra today. Okay, just a quick trip here trip. Where are we going? I want to give you a tip, not trip. I wish I could take you on a trip, but for now, I'm just gonna give you a quick tip. So you want to use those Milani shimmers with caution, because if you use a very thick layer on your eyelids, they will crack and they will look like a mess. You don't want to do that on your eyelids, right? The way that I like using those is I like to take some of them on the back of my hand, like this, and then I dip my finger and I make sure that I have a very small amount of them on my finger, okay? Just the tiniest amount. And then I'm applying them on my eyelids using patting motions. You don't want to swipe, you don't want to rub, just pat them on your eyelids. Then give them just a few seconds to dry on your eyes, and then take some more of the product that you have on the back of your hand and apply some more. But make sure that you don't layer like 100 layers on your eyelids. That won't look good after a while. So keep that in mind. I also added a winged eyeliner. I think that the black liner makes really nice contrast with the shimmers and the purples. And now I'm gonna finish up with my face makeup. I already have my foundation, so I'm gonna conceal now. Taking a baby wipe, and I'm gonna clean up my winged eyeliner here. And I'll also remove any foundation that I have under my eyes. This little guy here, guys, it hurts so bad. Like, a pimple should not be that painful. Like, honestly, I have some pimples on my face, but this one is oddly painful, and I don't know why. Like, you see him so tiny and innocent, but no, it's not. It's really mean to me. So I'm applying under my eyes some eyeshadow primer. This is the one by Fenty Beauty. Gonna press it under my eyes. Then I'm adding some of my NARS Radiant. Oh, I hit my microphone. Blending it out. I'm giving myself some cheeks by contouring my face. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Light. Whoops. And for blush, this one here is by Makeup Geek. It's called Heartthrob. And also some highlighter. This is a palette by Obsessions Makeup London. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and highlight my face. I'll make sure I don't highlight this little guy here because I don't want it to make it even more visible. Going over it with my sponge just to tone it down a little bit. Moving back to the eyes, I will add some falsies, so I'm preparing my lashes for that by curling them and adding a coat of mascara. The lashes that I'm gonna wear today are by House of Lashes, and the style is called Serene Light. To put everything together, I'm gonna smudge some of this shade from that BH Cosmetics palette along my lower lashes. I've been really loving the look of white eyeliner in the waterline. I think that makes my eyes look so much bigger, so much more open, so much more dolly, and I like that. So I'm gonna add some white pencil in my waterline. This one is by Pretty Vulgar, and the shade is called Blank Page. These Pretty Vulgar pencils are really good, you guys. I love how pigmented they are. I also like the black one and the brown one. They are very, very intense colors, and they're pretty long lasting for me, surprisingly. Moving on to the lips, I'm gonna line them with the lip liner by THEBALM. The shade is called Fineapple. Oh, that's a really clever name. I love it. Fineapple. I'll use one more product by Pretty Vulgar today, and it's going to be their lipstick. Check out how cool packaging, right? I'll finish up this look with the Ofra Makeup Fixer. Alright, and this is our final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like the look. It's very girly, very shimmery. I am a huge fan of this particular shade of pink. I also said that throughout the video, but I'm just loving it like a lot. And I'm so happy that I'm wearing it on my face right now, like on the eyes, on the lips, everything is covered in my favorite shade of pink. You know that feeling when you're wearing your favorite shirt or skirt or whatever, and it just makes you feel so nice. This is exactly how this look makes me feel. Like, I'm so happy because I'm wearing one of my favorite colors on my face. If you're not following me on my Instagram, go ahead and do it now. A link to my Instagram is going to be down in the description box. Click it, follow me, thank you. And you can also find me on Facebook, Twitter. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and if you do, don't forget to press that bell button right next to the subscribe button, because that way you're going to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!